Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see how much Robux you spent. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So there is two different ways how you can do that. The first way using your application and the second way using your browser. So the first way how you can watch how much Robux you spent is to open your Roblox application. And then here at the top of your screen, at the top right corner, you need to click on the Robux icon. Here it is. And then you will see your balance at the top of your screen and Robux packages. So if you have some Robux or if you spend some Robux, at the top of your screen you will see a little button history. So I have no button history because I didn't spend any Robux. So if you spend some, you will see the history button and you need to click on that one button and you will see all your Robux you spent. So the other way how you can see how much Robux you spent is to go to your browser, then go to roblox.com. Then you will see this interface, and then at the bottom of the screen you need to click on the continue in browser option. Here it is. Then you need to log in into your account. Then at the top right corner click on the Robux icon again. Then click on the my transactions option. Here it is. And then you will see all your transactions. So as you can see, I have 0 transactions. You can click on the date range between past year or past 7 days if you want. So and then you will see all your Robux you spent. So and that's all, and that's how to see how much Robux you spent. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.